Family night here at the RBC Center as we bring you back inside meeting number 112 between these two teams. GlaxoSmithKline, as always, has the goaltenders for us. Al Montoya has been a great story for the New York Islanders, acquired in February from Phoenix. Their team defense is number 27, and Cam Ward had 16 saves in a 3-1 loss here against Toronto on Wednesday night. Carolina's team defense is stacked at number 23. The officials tonight, the referees are Ian Walsh and Brad Watson, with Derek Amell and Steve Miller on the lines. Away they go. A lead pass. Michael Grabner shut down by Cam Ward. A dandy.
These young players, and that could be the case right now, the maturation of Bowman.
Now Ruutu denied by Frans Nielsen, who has 5 shorthanded goals. He sets up Grabner again, who walks in. Cam Ward makes another stop on Michael Grabner. Diagonally across, it's Jokinen, Skinner. They score! Tic-tac-toe, and the Canes get a goal from Jeff Skinner and take a 1-0 lead.
This is executing the game plan we've talked about, because Ruutu first and then Jokinen could have thrown the puck at the net. But the better play was to control the offensive flow by moving it laterally. What a look from Tuomo. And then, not to be outdone, fellow Finn Jokinen, as two players, I believe it's Jurchina and Bailey, both go to the puck carrier. And that allows Jeff Skinner to make himself available right on top of the crease. Oh, look at that shot that Jurchina gave Skinner.
That play on the attack with a defenseman activating, as Alan did, pointed out by Tripp, and then the patience with the puck, the presence of mind to throw it around, and an easy finish for Skinner. Grabner's shot turned out by Ward. Rebound, they score! At the side of the goal, it's Frans Nielsen, and the Islanders have tied it.
Well, that's an answer. Boy, Grabner's had some kind of period. Excellent play. A drop pass by Nielsen, the eventual goal scorer. Just a D-to-D. And that wasn't exactly the ideal first pass. It was fluttering, but that's the speed again from Nielsen. And the Hurricanes just got lost in the coverage. See, Harrison left to go to the front of the net instead of staying with Nielsen. And so much like you had the Islanders, two guys going to the same man on the Skinner goal.
Grabner, and he's beaten for that one. He fights this one off and covers it up. P.A. Parento had the chance, and Cam Ward. Now Hamonic shot, fought off, rebound, scores! Michael Grabner had a clear route to the net. He picks up a loose puck. It's 2-1 Islanders.
Well, a couple of things happen here. Lose a face-off, get a shot through, and Grabner, the last player you want getting to the net undetected, gets there and shows the poise to loft it on his backhand to get his 29th of the year. Clean win. Yeah, it's unfortunate that Pitkanen lost his man. Nielsen wins the draw. And the Hurricanes just did not react the way they wanted to. They needed to win.
Parento's in control. Cycling a pass off for Matt Moulson. John Tavares in back of the goal. Out in front, turning. Centering one. Cam Ward says no. Great save, and a hooking call is called in the process. We'll tell you about it when we come back. As now in control, it's cleared out by Brandon Sutter. Patrick Dwyer shorthanded. Passes for Corbo. Good save by Montoya. And it's broken up here by LaRose, one-on-one. Travis Hamonic is back. Puck is loose. Here's a chance. Jokinen denied by Montoya. Montoya legally in the trapezoid. Turned it over to Corey Stillman. Stillman for Carolina out in front. Here's a chance. Montoya says no. For the Islanders. Stahl, Dwyer, Allen, Gleason for Carolina. Here they come. Moulson. What a save! Cam Ward, none better on Matt Moulson.
That's a 30-goal scorer right there. And
in time. Corbo centers one. Post taken down. Carolina will go to a power play. Stillman over the line, moves in with Stahl at his side. Stahl cut, shoots one, stopped by Montoya. Loose on the doorstep. Coming back is Frans Nielsen. Nielsen now tries to negotiate by Stillman. They score! Eric Cole on the spot does it again, and the Canes have tied it.
no Nobody has scored more big goals in this building this year than Erik Cole. So why shouldn't it be him that scores the biggest goal, in my view, of the season? Stahl may be in a rut, but boy, he had a lot of determination here. We began the night by talking about controlling the puck down low. Boy, did the Canes ever do it here. Boy, the referee, I think, confuses Nielsen just enough that he gets stripped to the puck. Tries to get out of the way. Stillman's there. Stillman throws the puck to the front of the net. And
Jokinen, Ruutu, back it goes. Here's Jocelyn. Now, Jokinen with a shot. Blocked in front. Gleason's shot. Turned out by Montoya. And cleared at the Islander defense by McDonald. A steal. Jokinen dragging. Jussi Jokinen for Ruutu. Turned out by Montoya. Now, points at a premium. Each team gets one. A valued point for Carolina. Looking at a defeat. Cam Ward, the principal reason that they have come back and earned a point. And now we go to overtime. Jokinen for Carolina, sets up Cole. Cole walks in, circles the wagon, off of Montoya. Played here by Andrew McDonald. Jack Hillen for Radek Martinic, handcuffed by Stahl. Now Skinner holding, out in front again. Pikkinen scores! Joni Pikkinen! Hey, what do you say? Carolina wins in overtime!
Well, I think Joni decided to start shooting the puck in overtime, and he scores his biggest of the year. What a play Skinner made. Absolutely awesome. The patience to buy time, and because of that, the Islander back checkers drifted back to the net. The point became available, and you can't help but conclude why Joni doesn't blaze it like this all the time, because this was a bomb. What a win. What a win. Watershed. Absolutely crucial time in the third period. Cole scores one. Now watch Skinner. Eric Stahl, good pressure to cause the turnover. He'll get the second assist. Then he goes to the net. And Joni Pikkinen made an authoritative play to step in. He was ready to shoot the puck, and he went high. No goalie's going to stop this. Jeff Skinner, only behind Cam Ward, I think will be the second star. And like I said earlier in overtime, Joni Pikkinen, I think that was his first shot in 3 games. He now has 2 in 3 games. And the second is a gigantic tally that gives the Hurricanes life.
Joni Pikkinen gets the goal. What a nice flat pass by Jeff Skinner. 1:02 left in overtime. So at 3:58. The Carolina Hurricanes come all the way back and get it done. The encore for number 25 in overtime. The Carolina Hurricanes 3 and the New York Islanders 2. Our next telecast is Tuesday night. Canes in Ottawa right here. Hurricanes live here at the RBC Center right after this.